Hello and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will discuss about the design principles of AWS. At the end of this video, you will be able to describe the features of AWS. There are a set of 10 design principles to help with the alignment of applications. The design principles are 1. Everything fails at the time. 2. Redundancy protects against resource failure. 3. Geographic distribution protects against infrastructure failure. 4. Monitoring prevents problems. 5. Utilization review prevents waste. 6. Application management automates administration. 7. Security design prevents breaches and data loss. 8. Encryption ensures privacy. 9. Tier-based design increases efficiency. 10. Good application architecture prevents technical debt.
On the assumption that the platform it's running on can disappear at any point, and it will recreate itself, possibly depending on the platform you're running on, but it will recreate itself not necessarily in the same state as it was. So you have to make sure that everything you have developed will work straight away when the system comes back up. And a key point is that you can't depend on local storage. So anything you store locally on the file system on the actual server could at any point disappear. And for that reason, the cloud providers all offer shared, more permanent storage. So we look at things like Amazon EBS or S3, Azure Blob Services. They're all designed to get around that weakness. So they offer permanent storage, and they will offer SLAs of permanence to those artifacts, whereas anything stored on the actual machine could disappear at any point. The next point is build to scale out. So the real benefit of the cloud platforms is that you can scale out very, very quickly and very, very easily. To a certain extent, using things like AWS EC2, you can scale up as well. So they have a very wide range of sizes of boxes, and you can easily scale up to that. But scaling out is the way to do it really with the cloud. It's the real power of the cloud is the ability to fire up a load more servers just for a very short time. Which obviously, to do that, you have to build your application appropriately. So the first and probably key one is componentize everything. You create everything as very distinct areas of your application, then you can scale out then by either moving components onto other servers, which is obviously the easiest way, and then when you're scaling back, you can have all those running on one servers. Have minimal interfaces between all those components, because obviously there's bandwidth considerations and there's overhead when communicating between servers. In the cloud environment, there's no guarantee of the amount of latency of communication you have between the servers, so keeping those communications to a minimum is best. And this ties back into what we were just talking about the transitory nature of the cloud. If you make everything idempotent, then things can fail halfway through. Or
Thank you for watching this video.